To dismantle the master's house, you got to use the master's tools. By any means necessary. By any means necessary. Social media for social change. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. MySpace. And I've been in your face. We talk about the murder and the death of our black community. And we talk about the murder and the death of our black community. And we having black people do it. Like I said, by any means necessary. That's my Freedom Fighter Award. Hassan Giordano. Alright? My Malcolm X Award. Y'all killed Freddie Gray for reckless eyeballing. Y'all tried to kill me in 2010, but I'm still alive and breathing. Racism don't work without black cooperation. I told Commissioner Harris when he came to Baltimore, do your job or lose your job. Told him, matter of fact, quit. And he did. See that? That's Detective Michael Gauls. Alright? This letter is written in 3 parts. That's Commissioner Harrison. Commissioner Harrison got this, Mayor Brandon Scott got this, and Commissioner Worley got this. I gave it to you in front of the people. The people saw me hand it to you. I was kidnapped. You also see me in Itzy and Izzy's town hall on Thursday about Scott Shellenberger. Y'all got to criminally charge Scott Shellenberger. Y'all want to be tough on crime? You're going to be tough on Shellenberger. This is legal shit. Judge Turnbull, Judge Janae, Judge Papaya, Judge Holland, Judge Carrion participated. I was making a movie, Get Shorty. They exposed the mob machine, judges, lawyers, police that protect the corruption, 52 public and elected officials, and media personalities. All right? You reading this? Because, see, he didn't want to talk about this when I was there. I told you Worley don't deserve to serve, and this is why. All right, the third is a shooting on Shannon Drive. All right, Ivan Bates, you got that. See the date? June 1st, 2023, long before he quit. That's Governor Westmore, Kwesi Mfume, Senator Ben Cardin, Eric Barron, Speaker Jones, Anthony Brown, Mayor Brandon Scott, because all y'all sitting in the seats now. All y'all sitting in the seats now. That's the President Obama, 2009. In 2008, he asked for an investigation. Y'all kidnapped a whistleblower. You feel me? Get the information from Kerry Cogwer, 2008, May 5th. All right? He was senator then. Now he's president. And Biden was vice president. You feel me? It's right there, sincerely. Get Shorty, the movie. Get Shorty. Shorty documentary about your prison industry and your media. Charles Gibson, World News Tonight. These are emails for the grand jury. You see that? See the date? That's Ivan Bates. That's Ivan Bates. Jared Jimenez. We talking about voter suppression. Nicole Hansel, Nicole Mundell from Out for Justice. Leaders of a Beautiful Struggle. Mary Washington. See everybody on it? Ethics. Peter Francott. Brooke Learman. And it says right here, Ivan Bates, you're going to be sworn in on the oath of office January 3rd. Defend the Constitution. This is social media, like I said. That's Ivan Bates. And last night, thanks for sharing. Oh no, that's the wrong one. That's Ivan Bates, City Hall. Damn, can't get this right. That's a missed call at City Hall last night. See that? Missed call, audio call at 5:16 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., Ivan Bates was inside the Worley, he was inside there with Worley. That's phone calls. I called you. So Ivan Bates, that's Governor O'Malley. Ivan Bates got this on his phone. He got this on his phone. Everything that I'm showing you, he has this on his phone. He has all this on his phone. All right? Governor Hogan, State Circle. I ran for office in 2022. I ran as governor. Y'all took me off the ballot. Then y'all charged me with campaign financing violations. That's theft. That's fiduciary fraud. We're going to play this in front of everybody. I played this last night. The federal government is coming because, like I said, I was kidnapped. And Ivan Bates got evidence. Talking about your prison industry. From Ed Norris on up. Yeah. We got that, Ivan. The tapes. That's me. Ceasefire program. All right. This is when in Annapolis, when the police kept me from going inside Annapolis to testify about John Hopkins. Right here. Y'all throw me off the steps. Ivan Bates got that. We talking about voter suppression. That's Ivan Bates. He been knowing me since 2018. Everything Ivan Bates got on this page, Governor Hogan, you got to turn over. See, Governor Hogan and Ivan Bates was friends. Governor Hogan needed a black face in office, so they put Ivan Bates in office so they can bring back zero tolerance and stop and frisk. All right? I'm here to testify, and there goes the evidence. All right? Letters Design is a movie about Baltimore. All right? I'm a cook in Baltimore, and I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Since y'all calling President Trump a racist, we're going to call everybody out. We're going to play that. A federal investigation from the federal government. Like I said, we're going to play them tapes. That's Ivan Bates. You see me? That's Ivan Bates. That's Ivan Bates. That's Commissioner Worley. That's Ivan Bates. You feel me? We're going to play all the Ivan Bates tapes. We're going to play the Ivan Bates emails. That's a legal notice. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I'm not a jailhouse snitch. All right? That's Baltimore City and Baltimore County. That's jurisdiction. And I never got a trial. I never got a trial. You feel me? So Ivan Bates, that's a motion for a public hearing in 2009, 1402 Lochner. I never got a trial. I never got a trial. I never got a hearing. Ivan Bates. I own shorties. I own all shares of shorties. You feel me? I own all shares of me. And I'm not sharing with nobody. Motion for a public hearing. That's the Supreme Court, 2007. That's my store on Falls Road. All right? And we talking about the war on drugs. All right? State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. That's Shorty's Underground. Like I said, I own all parts of me. That's March 1998. I'm the chairman, the president. Vice presidency is vacant. I'm the treasurer and the secretary. And y'all stole property from me. Ivan Bates, we put it on tape. Social media for social change. That's the District Court of Maryland. Those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger for kidnapping. You feel me? Leaders of a Beautiful Struggle. Office of Fair Practices. Jared Gimenez. Ivan Bates. Grand jury and criminal charges. See the date? 2/11/2011, 1402 Lochner. That's Scott Shellenberger. These are the criminal charges. You locked up a whistleblower on the court, racketeering and fraud, unlawful enrichment. My case was found, I was found innocent in my case. Greg Bernstein, Commissioner Belfield participated in this kidnapping. President Obama asked for an investigation in 2008. Scott Shellenberger kidnapped me 2011 and destroyed evidence for the investigation. Means, motive, and opportunity. Elements of a crime. Kidnapping. 2/7/2011. I signed that paperwork over. The District Courts of Maryland got that. Judge Carrion got that. Mayor Brandon Scott got that. Delegate Kaylin Young got that. Governor Westmore got that. Natasha from the Public Defender's Office got that. Chief Justice Mary Barbera got that. Anthony Brown, Attorney General, got that. Ivan Bates, you got mail. You using your office to protect the corruption because you ran out of the building when I made that phone call. That's Xavier Conway, the clerk of the court. That's Bill Ferguson. That's Jared Jimenez. That's Delegate Sheila Roof. That's WEEA Mark Steiner. He did 2 interviews. WEEA Radio. States Attorney Mosby. See the dates? Governor Larry Hogan. And that's President Biden. Y'all had me thrown out when Biden came to Baltimore. Y'all had me put out. So I wrote Biden a letter. Same letter I wrote Obama. I was kidnapped. And y'all got to act on that. Anthony Brown. That's Izzy from Baltimore County. That's Speaker Jones. And you was in the room. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. Yeah. Ivan Bates. Delegate Stephanie Smith. So like I said, Worley don't deserve to serve. Worley was part of the corruption then, he part of the corruption now. And y'all can't sit here and put a rubber stamp on that. We're going to file a class action lawsuit from 2006 to now about the war on drugs, stop and frisk and zero tolerance. The money you make off of black bodies. I'm a jailhouse lawyer, I ain't a jailhouse snitch. That's my Community Verizon Award. Community activist. That's my Crown Award. You feel me? That's my Crown Award. The 2021 Crown Award, Supporter of the Year, Dwayne Shorty Davis. That's my Crown Award. That's my Community Verizon Award. That's my Malcolm X Award. I applied for Martin Luther King's job. 2024, I'm going to give you some Thurgood Marshall. Yeah, because we're going to go to court. And Ivan Bates going to be my witness. And it won't be in church.